Hi guys and welcome on GSM Maybes YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to charge Samsung Galaxy A44 and A54. So let's do it. So here is my A44 and first I will look inside the box because we need a cable. In the box we don't have a power adapter, just only a cable. And here there is. This is a USB Type-C data cable at both sides. And now to charge your phone you can use two power adapters. These are both original from Samsung. This one is with 15 watts and this one is with 25 watts. I will test it both, but this phone is optimized for 25 watts and I guess this one is the best. But first let's test the 15 watts and just plug the cable to the charger and then I will plug here the charger. And now I will use this tool to see what is the real power, and I will connect this cable here and now I will put it in my phone, and as you can see now it's charging, and let's see what is the real power. And as you can see it's 12 or 13 watts. So this is the real power for the 15 watts power adapter. Okay, and now I will disconnect and I will test the 25 watts power adapter. Now let's see with this one. Again, connect the cable to the charger. And now let's put this little tool and let's put the cable inside the phone, and now it's charging, and let's see the real power, and as you can see it's 19 watts. So this is the real power when you charge your phone with this power adapter. Okay, so you will find in the video description the links for these two power adapters if you want to buy it. Mine are on the black, but also you can find it on white if you want. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.